Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson. This is your JIS News for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. The homes of approximately 40 families in the Unity Heights community in Clarendon will be wired for electricity by the start of next year. This will be accomplished through the Rural Electrification Program, REP, administered by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JIS. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says funding has already been authorized and the work will be done in 2 phases. Government will also provide grant funding to the families to assist with the process.
In essence, the 40 householders here, and of course in all other REP programs, basically get a grant. That grant is valued at about $110,000. That's what it costs to wire properly a house to the JPS specifications.
Minister Vaz says once wiring has started, the process should take approximately 8 weeks to be completed.
Persons who benefit from this will be required to connect to JPS. There will be no exceptions and it will be zero tolerance.
Minister Vaz was in Clarendon and Manchester recently as part of his island-wide rural electrification tour. He says infrastructure work such as the changing of poles, new wiring and transformers and rewiring another 90 to 100 households will be given priority in the next fiscal budget year. The Ministry of Sport will be pumping $12.6 million into 14 clubs in the Ray and Nephew National Premier League. The announcement was made by Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange in a press release on Tuesday. She says funds will be given in monthly subventions of $150,000 from November 2023 to April 2024. Payments will be made through the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, to assist with games until the end of the Premier League season in April. Minister Grange says this support from the government will not only assist the Premier League, but is also in the interest of Jamaica's football in general to produce players for the national program in a timely fashion. Food vendors from Crab Circle have welcomed a training program on proper food handling and preparation. The sessions will cover a range of matters concerning professionalism and health and safety procedures for operating within food facilities. The 5-day program began on Tuesday and is being undertaken by the Heart NSTA Trust at its Duke Street Training Centre. It's a partnership by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, the Public Health Department and the Social Development Commission, SDC.
They'll be doing a program that is called Small Food Facility Operations. And basically that program covers the occupational health and safety. It covers food hygiene, it covers customer service, it covers preparing food, and just to train them to professionally and hygienically prepare and serve foods.
The vendors are also to receive training from the Public Health Authority at Moresco Road and then assessed for food handlers permits. Marsha, a vendor at Crab Circle, says the expectation is very high among the participants.
One thing leads to something wonderful. You understand me? So we are happy all over and we're just looking forward to the future.
Mayor of Kingston, Senator Delroy Williams, says approximately 11 vendors were there on day 1 and the objective of the program is to improve small food operations.
There is the culmination of the training on Saturday where they will do a practical. For the municipality, I believe that this is a good day and this is a game changer because we intend for the outtrust to expand the training beyond the Crab Circle vendors.
The mayor adds that there are plans to include street food vendors in Harbourview and Red Hills Road. Phase 2 of the Desmond Mackenzie Transitional Centre for the Homeless in downtown Kingston is to be completed by January 2024. The addition will increase the facility's occupancy from 40 to 100 individuals. It's part of the government's drive to provide resources and infrastructure to improve the quality of life for Jamaica's homeless population. Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie, along with officials from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, toured the facility following a ceremony to commemorate the observance of World Homeless Day. Mr. Mackenzie highlighted that similar facilities were being built across the island.
We're building more, not just in the corporate area, but we're building more across the island to take care of persons who find themselves in difficult times. So I want to give give you the assurance of the government of Prime Minister Andrew Holness that we will do everything in our powers to maintain your dignity and your pride and treat you in the way in which you are to be treated.
The centre, which is open 24 hours, serves as a shelter and rehabilitative service point. It provides protection, specialized care, and aids in the holistic renewal of clients. And finally, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security says a process to gather feedback from beneficiaries of the Programme of Advancement through Health and Education PATH has been progressing smoothly. The data collection is part of an island-wide public consultation being undertaken to revamp the PATH programme. Feedback is also being gathered from the various parish staff. Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says this will help determine the appropriate adjustments needed to strengthen and enhance the criteria and evaluation procedures for selecting beneficiaries. He was speaking at a JIS think tank session recently.
We've started there and we will move now into phase 2, which will include expanding the communication to communities through town halls, and other stakeholder engagements.
Members of the public can contact the Ministry via its social media platforms or by email. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thank you so much for watching.